on. So put your feet in there. One, two. Okay, ready? Bring the book to Dad.
Bring it to me. Come on. Yeah,
Good
good boy.
Whoa!
I got you.
Good job.
Good job. You're welcome.
I love you. Oh, that was your welcome.
You're welcome.
Joshua. Thank you. Welcome. You're welcome. I love you. I love you. I love you.
Good boy. Joshua, can you give Daddy a kiss?
Mwah.
And blow.
Thank you.
Grandma kiss.
Blow Grandma a kiss. Mwah.
Mwah.
Joshua, can you give Daddy another kiss? He got in front of the camera last time.
Oh, it's alright. Come here. Come here.
Can we give Daddy a
Give me a
kiss?
kiss. Hey, can I have a kiss? Mwah. Thank
Good
you.
boy.